Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. It's the love you give.
Hey guys, welcome back to my wonderful channel. It's your girl Joy, aka Miss JOVOU. If you're new to my channel, you are welcome, darling. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to another video. So guys, today's video, according to the title, I'm going to be showing you guys my updated routine. Like you can see, I'm back with my Jheri coil and I just got my braids out and you guys can see my coils are popping. I don't have my coil activator with me, but guess what I use? I had to make use of what I have with me and you can see my coils are popping. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I washed my hair and everything, how I got my hair looking like this and all the goody. So if this is what you're interested in, then you must definitely keep on watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. No further ado, let's get right into the video.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from cheese beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around.
So guys, I'm done, and this is how everything is looking. The hair, my skin, everything is literally looking on point. You can see new growths coming out. Yeah, these are new growth. You can see undergrowth is coming out and new growth. So I don't really know when next I'm going to like do it for part 6. I don't know yet, but let me just rock my hair this way till I know when I am ready to get my Jheri coil done again. These are the products I went in with. I went in with this green leaf product. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hydrating smooth and silky shampoo. You can see it's a green leaf product, and it is 500 ml. This is a shampoo I use. I love it. It lathers a lot. Like, my hair is so neat. Even my scalp, like my scalp is really neat. I didn't really go in with too much product, just little. Then I went in with this Sensitive by Nature leave-in conditioner. I still have little remaining. And then I also went in with Dark and Lovely leave-in conditioner. It's finished. But this has a kit, Dark and Lovely product. They are also good. So this is the leave-in conditioner that I used to wash my hair. I also went in with this one. The first thing I did, I had to condition my hair. I had to apply leave-in conditioner first, like to help tangle my hair and like comb it and everything. So yeah. Then this is what I used as my coil activator because I had to improvise. I got it somewhere and I really can't remember how much I got it for. So this is Canva, Kangfa Coil Keeper Moisturizing Hair Lotion Hair Nutrition. So this is it. I don't really know where you guys can get this. It's been a long time. I've had this for 3 to 4 years now, and I don't even know the importance until today. Like, I forgot my coil activator. It's in school. When I was coming back home for Easter and everything, I'm like, just come home and chill because of ASU and every other thing. So my Jack 5 is in school, so probably when I go back to get other things, I'll get it. But for the meantime, I'm using this. This is what I'm going to be using, and you can see my coils are actually popping. But the only difference is that I'm having a little bit of undergrowth. Like, you can see, it is very obvious that new growth, so I need to redo my Jheri coil again. And then for my edges, I went in with hair wax as usual. For my edges, you can see it's looking goody. Yeah, so hair wax, this is literally good to go. For my lips, I went in with Kiss Beauty Hyaluronic Acid Lip Oil Moist and Repair. So this is what I use for my lips. Then my edges, this brush, it has 2 sides, so you can use this side or use this side. Choice. So guys, that is it. Those are the products I use for my hair. So like I said, I told you guys 10 essentials you need to get a conditioner, you need to get a leave-in conditioner, you need to get shampoo, you need to get hair oil and all that. I have argan oil, but it's finished. I didn't really do much on my hair, and you can see my hair is really looking all puffy and like trying to get that afro form. I had a big chop last year, December, before the beginning of the year. You can see even from the root of my hair, new growths coming out. So guys, when I am ready, I'm going to get my Jheri coil done again, but for now, you guys are going to be seeing me this way for now. So please, you don't have to necessarily use the product I use, like one I just showed you guys. But if you're able to find them, then you're good to go. I'm not trying to like show you, oh, go get this. Like, I didn't say any of that. I'm just showing you guys what I use for my hair. If you go to a supermarket and you see another or something good or close to it, or just something different, then good to go. You can either use organic or you can use the one that is already made. Your choice. So guys, we'll come to the end of this video. I hope this video is helpful to each and every one of you. If it was, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment down, share it to your family and friends, and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.